Mitravan Bandhvom, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. South Asia Maps is an education channel that brings varied topics around about Indology and human ecology. Mitranam, we are talking today Haryana series. Haryana Geography, Haryana series. This is the part 11. Previously, we have identified around about a dozen, 12 geographic regions, physiographic regions. Physiography is the physical geography, how the land looks like, the terrain, the habitat, like the plains, peneplains, the plateaus, mountains, hills, ranges, so on. And today we are talking about that is GHAGGAR NAALI region, also called Khadar region. You see, this is the Haryana province, that is the part of historically Punjab region, the Purbi Punjab, east of Radcliffe Line. There are three Punjabs in India. Uh, those three Punjabs, we are talking about Haryanvi speaking Punjab or Haryana. The greenish blob is the Ghaggar Nali or Khadar region. Ghaggar Khadar region. Ghaggar is a major seasonal river. It is a logical boundary, a physical boundary between northern Pawad and Punjabi speaking areas, southern Bangri or Haryanvi or Hindi speaking area, 1966 bifurcation of the bilingual Punjab Suba. So this part we are talking about today. This is our Haryana series. You are aware we are talking about part 11 Ghaggar Nali Khadar region. Mitronam, if you are new to my presentations, South Asia Maps J. Reddy, we have around about 518 immaculately made presentations on varied diverse topics of history, geography, culture, wars, battles, British India, presidencies, provinces, and various modern series, agriculture, and so on. You can all look at them, South Asia Maps, JRD, YouTube channel. Mitronom, this is the Purbi Punjab or Eastern Punjab. The term Punjab is very broad. This is the Radcliffe line or partition line. We looked at the Radcliffe line or partition line before. That is the partition between the Darul Islam, Darul Qawmiya, Darul Harb, the land populated by the Mumins, believers populated, this side populated by the non-believers, infidels, Kafirs. This they consider the ideology Ilam light. This is Jahili territory, dark, ignorant period. This is the Radcliffe line. Cyril Radcliffe, for British judge, for the chairman of Boundary Partition Committee. This is the Radcliffe line. There is also other Radcliffe line here. Bhagirathi line or Hooghly line, and we are talking about Haryanvi speaking Punjab. This is the Paschim Punjab, Maghrebi Punjab. This is the Purbi Punjab we are talking today. Nala means like a river. The regions, by extension, the region surrounding the river. So the rivers, they flow in small, we can say low locations, and they flood. So they bring alluvium, the soil, the silt regulates. So there is a old alluvium and new alluvium. New alluvium comes every season, every time when it rains. Now, because the rivers are extensively dammed, you don't see that much. But historically, it used to be like that. So, alluvium and monotony, because the land doesn't have much elevation, 300-meter contour is the boundary between the southern Bangar region. So, this is the Bangar. We are talking about the Nali region. Nali, the region across the Ghaggar. If you take the Ghaggar river, round about 5 or 10 kilometers on either side, right hand bank or left hand bank of Ghaggar river is the new alluvium. The old alluvium we discussed before, that is the Kankar region, Nardak region, Bangar region, also called Kurukshetra plains in Haryana. Converse is the new alluvium, Khadar region, sometimes is called Nali region. Remember, these they are spelled different. Nali or Nala are like that. Sometimes called as the Bet region. Gaggar is a seasonal river, around about 460 kilometers or so. It originates in the Dagsai Mountains, that is in the historic Simla district in Himachali Punjab. It flows beyond Sirsa and now it is dammed at Votu barrage. Used to flow beyond that into Hanumangarh and Ganganagar, then enter into Bahawalpur princely state, that is a part of called Cholistan area, is a part of extension of the third desert with a different name. So it used to even long back it used to join the excuse me the Sindhu river. Now it won't. So the Gaggar river here, the termination point now is the Votu barrage. It is in the Sirsa district. So Nali or Nali is the flood prone area, brings new alluvium. Khadar region is the round about 10 kilometers on either side of river. The river of our concern today is Gaggar, so is a Gaggar Khadar region or Gaggar Nali. So what are the district regions? When we talk about, we cannot just talk about Punjab. Across the Gaggar, there is a Punjabi speaking Punjab, just called Punjab in India, because people forget there are two Punjabs, East Punjab, West Punjab. Again, the words are very loosely used sometimes. Ambala district, Devigar district, Samana. These are taluks or regions, Devigar and Samana. These are in East Punjab. Lekhra and Sunam also in East Punjab, EPI abbreviated. Jekyll is of course in Haryana and Tohana here. Ratia and Fatehabad. Of course, the Sirsa Sardurgar, I put it here there. That doesn't come under Nali region. They come under Kalanwali Rohi region. Just I have put them to make the story complete here. So these are the various parts of what are the districts, certain parts. The districts of Ambala, Patiala, Mansa, historic Sangro district, Kaithal district, Jind and Fatehabad districts. We can see that in different perspective here. We are looking at Delhi here. Remember, this is the Gaggar river is flows almost the border between 1966 bifurcation of bilingual Punjab. Punjabi and Haryanvi speaking territories are Hindi speaking territories. So all these areas. So this is of course Sivaliks. This is the mountains, sub-mountain, that is the Piedmont regions or Chandigarh Cholands. Then you have the Saraswati plains. So, but around the river, around about 5 to 10 kilometers either side from here, Ambala region, Devigar here, Pehova region and Gulha region. And you can see this is the Jakkal actually here, Narwana. This is the Tohana and Rat. I think you should Tohana and Ratia. You should end there. Beyond that, this is the Kalanwali Rohi region. Dabwali, Kalanwali is a town here. The Sirsa. This is the Rohi region here. That means south of the GHAGGAR NAALI is downstream is the Rohi region. Upstream is of course it goes through the Saraswati plains, sub-mountain regions, Piedmont, Chandigarh Cholands, and mountain region, that is Sivaliks for our purpose. If you look the other side, because the story will be incomplete if we don't look at it. So again, remember, most of the portion is the boundary. So Chandigarh here and the river goes here. So this is Derabasi, parts of Rajpura in Patiala. This is the Devigar. So Samana and this is the monarch and this is the patron. So certain certain parts. So this is the Haryana regions. So this is the Chandigarh Cholans. Sorry, this is the Gaggar River, Nala region. So here I am showing the Gaggar River. Remember the Gaggar River comes from the Dakshay Mountains. You can see Punjab. This is the Paschim Punjab here. From Dakshay near Simla, and you can see the Shivaliks here. And this is the Gaggar basin is different from Gaggar Nala, Khadar regions. The low, that is the new alluvium, are round about 5-10 kilometers on either side. So, but for completion of the sake, I am showing the basin here. So the important Chandigarh here, Ambala region, Kaital here, this comes under Kurukshetra plains here, Saraswati Ambala plains here, Fatehabad and Sirsa. This comes again under the Kalanwali Rohi, Votu barrage will be there. Hanumangarh here, Ganganagar district. So this is the Cholistan area, princely state of Bahawalpur, pre-partition times, pre-partition, the Radcliffe time. Excuse me. Again, you can see this is the Gaggar Nali. You can see the Gaggar Nali. This little bit phased, but still you can get it. Gaggar Nali. This is the Chandigarh Cholans, that is sub-mountain region. And you can see the Sivaliks here, Saraswati Plains, Ambala Plains. This is the Kurukshetra Plains. This is the Gaggar River. This is the Kalanwali or Rohi region, Shishya region. So these are the broader, the Ambala, Gulkha and Narwana, Tohana, Fatehabad, all these regions, they overlap. And you can see that you won't see this, the Gaggar River. Yeah, you can see the Gaggar Nali. See, the Gaggar River is the blue one. This is the Gaggar River. On either side of the is the Gaggar River tributaries like Tangri, Markanda. This is the Saraswati Yellow River here. This is the Markanda and Tangri or Dangri. So Votu barrage. So till the Votu barrage is actually in the Kalanwali Rohi region. So the Gaggar, somewhere here from here to here, you can see the Nali region or Khadar region, round about 5 to 10 kilometers on either side of seasonal river Gaggar. You won't see this that much here in this place. This is, of course, our Payonta Sahib and Yamuna river. You can see the Gaggar river here. The Gaggar river here, Ambala here. This is the Ludhiana here. Ambala, Patiala, this is the Chandigarh. And this is all the Gaggar, the Nali region. You can see Ambala too, up to Fatehabad region, that is the Gaggar Nali. And you can see here, you won't see that much. Can we see here? You can see Gaggar Nali here. This map is not that good resolution because of monotony, low elevation. You won't see that much Gaggar River. So Gaggar River is the, for practical purpose, you can say Gaggar River is the 1966, the bifurcation of Punjab Reorganization Act, PRA. North of Gaggar is the Pawad and Punjabi speaking area. South of Gaggar, Haryanvi, Hindi, Bagri, Banga, Kariboli, all these various dialects of Western Hindi speaking areas. So that's about the fascinating, the Gaggar Nali Khadar region, new alluvium we talked about today. Hope this will be valuable information for you. If you like the presentations, Mitrona, you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends. See you later in other presentation.